Hello children, I hope you all are safe and secure at home. But do you think you're spending enough time on your books? I don't think so. Now, in this lockdown period of time, school is coming to you because you can't come to school. And you see, I already have the English book of class 4 with me in my hand. It's English Rose. And English Rose for class 4, the first page says, I keep learning. I am ready to learn anything, anytime and anywhere. And so today I'm going to teach you the first lesson of English Rose. The first lesson says Mowgli and the Bandar Log. So we have the lesson Mowgli and the Bandar Log. Now, by the way, who is Mowgli? Mowgli was a 7-year-old child. But unfortunately, he never stayed with his parents. He used to stay in a jungle. And you know, he had 2 friends. The names of his friends are Baloo and Bagheera. Now, who are these Baloo and Bagheera? Baloo was a bear, a huge bear. And Bagheera, a black panther. And these were Mowgli's teachers and friends. But one day, you know, Mowgli was in the jungle taking a midday nap. And at that time, the Bandar Log came and kidnapped him. Do you want to know what happened after that? Let's read the chapter. Mowgli is a 7-year-old boy raised in the jungle by a family of wolves. Bagheera and Baloo are his teachers and his best friends. They teach him the laws of the jungle and keep him safe from danger. One day, the Bandar Log take Mowgli away. The Bandar Log were disliked by the jungle people as they did not follow any rules. How was Mowgli saved? Let's find out. The Bandar Log wanted to make Mowgli their leader. They thought Mowgli was very clever because he was the only person who could light a fire. One day, Baloo, Bagheera and Mowgli were taking their midday nap. Now, what do you think is a midday nap? A midday nap is an afternoon nap. It means sleep. And so they were taking their midday nap. I am so tired, Baloo. Let's take a nap. Suddenly, Mowgli woke up with a jolt. The next thing he could remember was feeling hands on his legs and arms. And then a swish of branches on his face. What do you think is the meaning of a swish? It means a movement of branches. Hey, what are you doing? Leave me alone. Mowgli stared at his friends on the ground as Baloo woke up the jungle with his deep cries and Bagheera bounded up the tree with every tooth bared. Now, the meaning of bounded up. It means jumped up. So, the 2 friends were worried about how Mowgli would escape from these Bandar Log. The Bandar Log said, Bagheera has seen us. Now the jungle people will praise us for our courage and cleverness. Quick, Baloo, the Bandar Log have taken Mowgli. Bounding and crashing and whooping and yelling. Children, the meaning of whooping. What do you think will be the meaning of whooping? It means shouting loudly. Let me write that. And so, what do we have here? Bounding and crashing and whooping and yelling, the whole tribe of Bandar Log swept along the tree roads with Mowgli, their prisoner. The Bandar Log had their own tree roads, up hills and down hills. They could easily travel by these even at night. I need to send back a message to Baloo and Bagheera, for they have been left far behind. What do you think is going to happen? Next, let's find out. Mowgli knew it was useless to look down. So, to find help, he looked upwards and saw Run, the kite. He was keeping a watch over the jungle. Now, who is this Run? Run is a kite. Run dropped down to a lower height and found that the Bandar Log were dragging Mowgli through the treetops. He heard Mowgli calling out to him, "We are of one blood, you and I." Now you see, children, I will show you the picture. Here is Mowgli hanging from the hands of the monkeys. And here you have got Run, who has spotted Mowgli. And Run, I think, is ready to help Mowgli. So you see, Run comes down to answer Mowgli's call. "Mark my trail, tell Baloo and Bagheera." Now, what do you think is the meaning of trail, children? Trail means path. Trail means path. And now Run is asking a question. What name shall I give, brother? He thinks Mowgli to be his brother and he wants to help Mowgli. And now he wants to go and inform Baloo and Bagheera. But he does not know Mowgli's name. So he's asking, and Mowgli replies, "They call me Mowgli." Remember, Mowgli is the man cub. So he says, "They call me Mowgli, the man cub." Meanwhile, Baloo and Bagheera were getting worried about Mowgli. You must know, children, in the beginning I already told you, Baloo and Bagheera were not only Mowgli's friends, they were also Mowgli's advisors. They were the people to warn Mowgli about danger. And now you see, the two of them are very downcast. What do you think will be the meaning of downcast, children? It means just a three-letter word. Sad. They were very sad. And you see, they both are now annoyed with each other. Bagheera is more annoyed with Baloo. And you see what Bagheera is telling. "You taught the man cub the laws of the jungle. Why didn't you warn him about the Bandar Log?" And Bagheera is not shouting back. Bagheera is very sad. Bagheera says, "I am a miserable bear." Now what do you think he means by miserable? Here the meaning in this book, in this lesson, the meaning of miserable, is useless. He's so angry with himself. He says, "I am the most miserable bear." Oh Mowgli, Mowgli, why did I not warn you? Do you think he's feeling bad for what he did? He did not warn Mowgli, which means he's feeling regret. Regret means feeling bad about what you have done. He thinks he made a mistake. Do you think he made a mistake, children? Yes, he did. But now he's going to make the mistake right. Just then Bagheera and Baloo heard a voice calling out to them from the sky. They did not know who is calling them from the sky, but you all know. Remember who's flying in the sky? The kite is flying in the sky. And what is the name of the kite? Run. Just then Baloo and Bagheera heard Run calling from the sky. And when they looked up, they saw it was Run. Up, up! Hello, look up, Baloo! Hello, Bagheera! Run is calling out to them. Hello, Run, what are you doing here? I saw Mowgli among the Bandar-log. And now you see, children, Run is giving the most important piece of information. He's not only saying that he saw Mowgli among the Bandar-log, he's also telling them where the Bandar-log have taken Mowgli. And you see, he says, they have taken him beyond the river to the monkey city. And you know, children, what is the name of the monkey city? The Cold Lairs. Actually, the meaning of lairs is what? Lairs means dens. And so, Mowgli is now kidnapped by the Bandar-log and he has been taken to the lairs. But the difficulty is what you know, children? This place is on a very, very high path and it is difficult for a bear to climb up mountain ranges. So do you think Baloo and Bagheera will come to help their friend? Let's see. Bagheera and Baloo decided to follow Mowgli's trail and visit the Cold Lairs to rescue their man cub. So you have the picture here. They have climbed up, these monkeys have climbed up a huge mountain and they have got Mowgli in their capture. And Mowgli sitting here and he's waiting for his friends to come and save him. And his friends Baloo and Bagheera, they are not going to leave Mowgli alone. They have decided to help Mowgli. And so they are going to rescue Mowgli. So the meaning of rescue. Rescue is save. So you see, with that we come to the end of this lesson. And what do we understand from this lesson? There are 3 good friends. You all may be having friends in your lives. When you are in difficulty, do those friends come and help you? Yes, I think your best friends will always come to help you. Just like Baloo and Bagheera come to save Mowgli. And at the end of this lesson written by Rudyard Kipling. And the name of that book, this is only a small part of that book. But the name of the whole book is The Jungle Book. If I get a video of that, I'll definitely show it to you. So, you understand from this chapter that friends will always come and help you when you are in difficulty. Remember, children, in English there is a saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed. So when you are in trouble, your friend will always come to help you. Just like Baloo and Bagheera, one is a bear, the other is a black panther, and they have a friendship with a man cub, with a boy, but they help him when he needs their help. Now, let's see if we can discuss this true and false together. The first question is, the Bandar-log kidnapped Mowgli. So let me write it. This is question number A and number 1. The Bandar-log kidnapped Mowgli. All you need to do is write T or write F. True or false? Do you think the Bandar log kidnapped Mowgli, children? Yes. So we'll write a nice T there. And the second one, Ran and Mowgli knew each other from before. Do you think Ran and Mowgli knew each other before? Who is this Ran? Ran was the kite. They did not know each other from before. So we write an F there. Remember, Ran asked, what name will I say to your friends? So he did not know Mowgli from before. Now, number 3. Baloo was angry with Bagheera. No, that is completely false. Why? Because Bagheera was angry with Baloo. And now the fourth one. Ran did not know where the Bandar log had taken Mowgli. We all understood from the chapter. Ran knew. So the answer is false. And the final one, number 5. What does number 5 say? Bagheera and Baloo went to the cold lairs to save Mowgli. Remember, children, at the end of the chapter I showed you here, Bagheera and Baloo decided to go and rescue Mowgli. The meaning of rescue also I told you. So the question once again, Baloo and Bagheera went to the cold lairs to save Mowgli. The answer is true. And you know, children, this Jungle Book is a very long book. It has so many stories of Mowgli. But for your information, after this page, nothing is written. So we don't know what happened at the end. Do you think Baloo and Bagheera were able to save Mowgli from the monkeys? Yes, the answer is they were able to save Mowgli from the monkeys. So with that, we come to the end of this lesson. I have discussed only the true and false with you, and I hope you wrote the answers. There are dashes here. I hope you wrote the answers down. These question and answers we'll be doing in the notebook, and I'll be giving you a printed note for that also. So with that, we come to the end of this lesson. We will be meeting again soon. Until then, remember, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.